Is it possible to make artificial meat? If you think this is impossible, you are wrong. The answer is yes. Artificial meat has been produced on the International Space Station using the space-bed bioprint technique without harming animals. Israeli food company Olive Farms has announced that it has produced meat on the space station for the first time. This company works to produce artificial meat without killing animals. Edible meat is made from just 2 cells. Meat was developed from cow cells on the space station. The piece of meat was grown on the space station by mimicking the natural muscle regeneration process of a cow. Olive Farms and the Russian company 3D Bioprinting Solutions, and 2 American food companies conducted this experiment on the space station. Cow meat was bioprinted on the space station using a bioprinter developed by 3D Bioprinting Solutions. Bioprinting is the process of mixing organic materials such as animal cells and growth factors with bio-ink and printing them in layers. The 3D printer works on the basis of magnetic force. There is little difference between bioprinting meat on Earth and space. Bioprinted biomaterials develop faster in the zero gravity of space than they do on Earth. Just like rolling out dough, the meatball is printed evenly from all sides. Other bioprinting is done in layers. Olive Farms ventures into the concept of artificial meat due to climate change. Raising animals for meat requires large amounts of water and energy. Olive Farms says that their main goal is to avoid water wastage and save the Earth's blueness. Olive Farms also believes that this will ensure food availability for the future generations by conserving natural resources. The company plans to make artificial meat available worldwide within a few years. It is said that science develops with human dreams. People often walk away in disbelief when those dreams come true. What if we didn't have to raise chickens for chicken meat, goats for mutton, and cows for beef? Before we had time to call it a beautiful dream that didn't come true, science stunned the world by growing meat exclusively in laboratories. It doesn't stop there either, now that artificial meat has hit the market. Artificial meat, technically known as in vitro meat, looks and tastes like normal meat, can be cooked and consumed. It is also known as keen meat, lab-grown meat, and synthetic meat. Singapore has become the first country to allow the sale of artificially produced meat in the lab. California-based food startup Eat Just has been given permission by the Singapore government to market lab-grown chicken. The Singapore government has given permission to deliver. With this, Eat Just became the first company in the world to produce and sell meat without slaughtering animals. Countries, including US, have been given permission by their governments to start artificial meat research.